Hey friends, if you wish to fix icons in Windows 11, then I will guide you through two solutions only. Now, the first solution is disk cleanup. I'll tell you later why, but first let us perform it. So search for disk cleanup, click on OK, wait till it loads, check all of these boxes here, click on OK and then select delete files. Why? So what are we doing in this? We are basically deleting the icon cache, and once the icon cache is deleted, restart your computer and it will be fixed. But if this doesn't help, then you can also consider restarting the file explorer. So search for task manager in the Windows search bar, open the task manager, wait for this list to load. If you find Windows Explorer in this process, right click and restart it. If not, you will find it in the list of background processes upon scrolling. But I do not suggest this solution because it will flicker your screen and people may get a little intimidated by it. So the better way to handle this is to simply restart your computer after deleting the icon cache. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.